Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Nikon D90 camera. And I really like the fact that it can take pictures in a very low light setting without compromising the colors or adding any more noise. They're very crisp and clear. As you can see, the beautiful contrast of blue and green and white, you don't lose that with this camera. I really like that it's really lightweight. I can be holding it with one hand, and especially when you're doing several things at an event and you want to take that shot fast. It has all the settings that it requires to get that perfect shot. Another big plus is that it has this 3-inch screen, so you can go back to your work and change the lighting, the setting, whatever you need to have that perfect picture. And that's my point of view.